How to make vegetable turmeric coconut rice. The ingredients are rice, coconut milk seasoning cubes, turmeric powder, green peas, garlic, ginger, chicken, green peas, chopped carrots, pepper, onions, and so on. Then after parboiling the rice, you add your salt, then add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, then add your chicken stock, I added 2 cups of water because coconut rice has the tendency of becoming soft. So add 2 cups of water. Then cover the pot. Then add your vegetable oil. Add your onions, your garlic, ginger, and your chopped chicken. And add your pepper. Then stir together. Then add your green peas and beans. Then stir together again. Then add your chopped carrots. Then add your seasoning cubes. Moving forward, then boil the rice until it is halfway done. Then you add your 2 plates of coconut milk, as you can see in the video. So you can add your fried ingredients, your carrots, your green beans, your green peas, so it could boil together with the coconut milk. Then always check your rice to avoid getting it burnt. Now you will need to adjust your cooking temperature. Always check your rice every 2 minutes. Then cover the pot. And after 2 minutes, you stir together. As you can see, my rice is not soft. So, like I said at the beginning of the video, always add little water because the coconut milk has every tendency of making your rice soft. So you can see, as you can see, our coconut rice is ready. So this is the finishing look. So thank you guys and see you guys next time. Bye.